To get this series started, we're going to start with what Excel is and why you would want to use it. So, Excel, simply put, is spreadsheet software created by Microsoft. So, what is spreadsheet software? Spreadsheet software is software that is used to analyze, visualize, transform, or manipulate data by organizing it into a series of cells that are aligned by columns, which run vertically, and rows, which run horizontally, what many people would call a table. The columns are denoted by letters. When you hit Z, you then go to 2-digit letters. So Z is followed by AA, followed by AB. When you hit AZ, it then would go to BA, BB, and so on and so forth. Rows are denoted by numbers starting at 1 and going down as far as your data set is in size. Why would you want to organize data in this way? Why would you want to use spreadsheet software? Spreadsheet software is used to visualize, analyze, transform, and manipulate data. So there is a million plus use cases for that. Everything from your family's budget, a loan amortization table, tracking inventory, analyzing sales data, analyzing store performance data, tracking employee information, tracking your Christmas card list. All of this stuff can be done in Excel. You'll see a lot of different applications that Excel is very useful for, both personally and professionally, and it's impossible to name them all. The easiest thing to remember is whenever you are talking about doing something with data, you want to use spreadsheet software, and Excel is the most popular spreadsheet software on the planet. Now, there are other spreadsheet softwares out there. The most common second up, second most popular spreadsheet software would be Google Sheets. The biggest difference between Excel and Google Sheets is that Google Sheets runs exclusively in your web browser on Google's cloud, all web based. Again, Google is a web based technology company. Excel runs both in the cloud and as desktop software, depending upon the type of subscription you purchase, which we'll talk about how to get Excel, the purchasing options in a future video. So that is what Excel is. That is what spreadsheet software is. Now we are going to jump into a quick look at what spreadsheet software actually looks like in Microsoft Excel. This is what a spreadsheet looks like, specifically Microsoft Excel. As I talked about in the intro to this video, the core part of a spreadsheet is really this section here below what is known as the formula bar. All spreadsheet software in the modern era looks the same when we talk about, from if you see where my cursor is, below this navigation bar, which in Microsoft products is called the ribbon, down. Spreadsheets are recognizable by the fact that they have the vertical columns denoted by letters and the horizontal rows denoted by numbers. In these columns and rows, we have cells. I just clicked on cell C2. You'll see that it denotes C2 up here in the name box, and it has now shown me that I'm at the intersection of column C, and row 2. Column always comes first, so you always have the letter followed by the number. Each cell contains a piece of information, a piece of data, and we start to build calculations by looking at things that are going on in one or more cells in order to start to do data analysis, data visualization, data transformation, or data manipulation. The core functions that spreadsheet software supports. There are millions of things that you can do with the simple building blocks of individual cells, with the formulas that are made available within Microsoft Excel, the formulas that can use everything from simple arithmetic, we're talking about addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all the way up to the functions that can actually make decisions, if then decisions, doing one thing if a certain criteria is true, another if it's false, in order to do some very, very complicated things and help simplify things in both your personal and professional lives. So, this has been a quick introduction to what spreadsheets are and what Microsoft Excel is. If you're interested in learning more, check out the other videos in this series as they drop, and be sure to subscribe to this channel, the Excel Help Center YouTube channel, so you don't miss any of our future educational series videos.